Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a cook and clean with me. So I'm fixing to make dinner and then I'm going to show you how I clean up the kitchen afterwards. This is pretty much a daily routine for me if I'm cooking that night. And on this night I was cooking my home chef, so I was getting out my ingredients and then looking over my recipe card. They're super easy to make and we have been using them for the last 6 months, maybe a little bit more. And I'm telling you guys, I hate to cook and I get excited when my home chef order comes because it's so easy and the food is so delicious. So that's what I was making tonight. It was like a burger with some pesto mayo sauce and tomatoes and onions and mozzarella cheese. It was amazing. We fight over the burgers when we do that. So this time I made sure and I got 4 servings, so there would be plenty for us because we fight over home chef food. It's ridiculous. I hate to cook. I hate cooking, you guys. And Home Chef makes it so easy because not only do they meal plan for me, but they do my shopping as well, which I love. So when my Home Chef comes in the mail, it usually comes on a Tuesday for me. I get so excited, and so does my family, because the food is amazing and it's so easy for me to make, so it takes a lot of pressure off of me. So that's what I'm doing real quick, is just making one of the meals. I wanted to film that and show you guys how easy it is to do. And a side tip, but have your husband cut the onions for you, because if you can, and I'm totally joking, but I thought it was funny. I did ask him to come in and cut the onions for me because they make me cry. And I just don't like the way that they make my eyes burn so bad. So I asked them to come in and cut the onions for me. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this. And I'm going to sit back and let you watch for a little bit. And then I'll come back on in a few minutes. I also wanted to come on here and mention really quickly something I had been thinking about as I'm like picking out my meals for Home Chef. If you are looking to lose weight or watch your weight or just be healthier, their options are really healthy. And the thing about it is it's all made from scratch. So it's all fresh vegetables and fresh meat and all of that. And so I personally am always like looking to make better health options or to lose a few pounds here and there. And they make it really easy. A lot of their meals are like chicken and asparagus or something like that. And it's just really health conscious and weight conscious. So this is a little behind the scenes, what goes on behind the camera or while I'm cooking. Huge messes are made. This is life, especially when you have dogs. So Kinsley took the dog's toy bin and threw all of their toys all over my kitchen. And that's what it's like for me when I'm trying to cook.
Summer's just a memory, a faded piece of history. No one can remember all the fun. The late night barbecue, zipping on a gin and juice.
So this is the final product. It didn't take me long at all to make. It was amazing. We all loved it. If you guys want to try out Home Chef, you can try my coupon code to get $30 off your first order. And that's basically getting 3 servings for free because their servings round out to about $10, which is really good. So if you've been thinking about it, I definitely recommend it. We use it in my home, whether I'm working with them or not. We get it almost weekly, you guys, and it is amazing. Take my word for it. It doesn't hurt to try it, especially when you have that coupon.
I work hard every day, don't waste my time on yesterday. I never shy.
So now dinner is done and I'm left with this mess. I try to clean up some of it while I'm cooking. As you've seen earlier, I loaded up the dishwasher, but I wanted to wait to run the dishwasher until all of our dishes were done. So I'm loading up the last few dishes in there so I can run it, and then I'm going to go ahead and wash my pots and pans by hand and then wipe down the counters. I was using the Clorox countertop spray, and on the bottle it does say that it is okay for granite, and I have used it for years and I've never had any issues. And I love that spray because it is disinfecting, and I like to use it when I've prepared meat and stuff like that on the counter. So that's what I'm using to wipe down my counters, clear off the clutter, and then just get it all nice so that we can relax for the rest of the evening.
These lazy days are never done.
not the ones to blame. We were tired of playing games, no wonder. I know we had our ups and downs, always thought we got around stronger. But we were drifting more apart, and it's tearing up my heart in pieces. 'Cause what we had was long ago. All I know is how it slowly ceases. It ceases in the arms of a stranger, a compelling pretender. We were walking on wire, like a moth to a fire, pulling closer to danger, in the arms of a stranger. I've been trying to figure out what we really were about together. We lived in different universes, empty promises for worse or better. The challenges of me and you, what's the point of trying to unravel? Oh, seemed like an easy rendezvous. Now I see I never knew you at all, at all. In the arms of a stranger, a compelling pretender. We were walking on wire, like a moth to a fire, pulling closer to danger, in the arms of a stranger. By dreams ain't feeling alright. You give me comfort, say just give it some time. By the end of our talk, I'm feeling just fine. You and I will always know where we belong. This ain't no ordinary love we got going on. I'll pick you up in my 59 Ford. We head on down the road until we get bored. Just you and me and the sun and the wind. If the rain should start falling, we'll head on home again. Everybody else can see where we belong. Oh, ain't no ordinary love we got going on. At the end of the world, together forever is one, and I'll wait. If ever you should be in doubt, and I'll pray they never can pull us apart, and I'll wait.
So that's it. It's all clean. I hope you guys enjoyed this cook and clean with me. If you did, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe before you leave. If you haven't already subscribed, it does help my channel a lot. It shows that you support me, and it definitely will let you know when I upload so you don't miss out in the future. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!